walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear.
The stars creak as I sleep, it's keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you to close your eyes.
Some days I can't even trust myself.
It's killing me to see you this way. 'Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore.
Holding me back.
Well, tell her that I miss our little